See, whenever there are two houses on one plot, one is in the north zone and other is in the south zone, then this type of house in traditional Vastu Shastra is termed as the Kach, and its sutra says like this: Durmukham dakshine kuryad uttare jaya saudnyakam kachakhyam tam dvishalam tu bandhunasham dhanakshayam. That means whenever two houses are constructed on one plot, one in the north, one in the two, then it forms the chulli, of which the name is Kach. And whenever the boundary between the two houses is not defined, means there is no defined Vastu Kshetra independently to each house. In such cases, it will always lead to loss of finance, loss of wealth, and there could be difference of opinion between two brothers too. So, what is important in such cases, that we have to define the Vastu Kshetra, the plot between the two houses. Whenever we define the plot between the two bungalows, automatically Vastu Purush Mandal on the Vastu Kshetra on the plot of this house gets aligned with the bhavana or the house. And whenever there lies the right relationship between the Vastu Purusha Mandala, that is matrix of deities of plot and the house together, in that case there is a possibility of gaining peace, prosperity and progress. Because when this Vastu Kshetra, that is, there is no compound wall between the two bungalows, in such cases excitation of vibration of the elements related to this bungalow is not defined. So, whenever there is imbalance of the element happens at the plot level, then how you can expect any type of positive vibrations in the house? So, what is important in the type of construction which is called as the Kach, that is, one house is in the north, another house in the south, is to define the Vastu Kshetra between the plot, and this by rule over there is not allowed. So, what you have to do, under the ground, under the level of the plot, you have to construct one stone masonry wall, so that at the earth level exact demarcation of boundaries of the two houses happens. On top of it, if this is, say, the southeast zone for this plot, then over here, if you burn the magic mixture in the southeast corner, in the southeast corner over here, then this Prakata Agni, this divine fire in the southeast, will start giving travel of the energy in a mandalakar way, by way of which the matrix of the deities will get defined. So, defining the plot boundary aligned to the house should be the first remedy for certain houses which I have seen in US, and whenever such a boundary is defined on the plot, these people start getting good result out of this construction, out of this Bhavan Rachana. Unless you define the plot like this by cosmic remedies, this particular house is not able to give prosperity, is not able to prove itself as the independent shield that protects against ill events. So, in US bungalows, what is important is defining the boundary of the plot. Is it clear? Enough for this session. Jai Gurudev.